In this video, we are going to learn how to scrap business listings data from Google Maps. Not only that, but we will also extract phone numbers, emails, and all available social media of those businesses from their websites in the cheapest and fastest way possible. After watching this video, you will know how to generate unlimited leads of real business owners for your business. At first, click the link in the description and go to Lead Sniper's official website. Navigate to Products, then click on Google Maps Scrapper. Now click on Get Started for free. Now click on Download. Then unzip the downloaded file. So this is the browser extension that we have to install on our browser. Now go back to browser and navigate to extension, then click on Manage Extension. To install the extension, make sure the developer mode is on. Now simply drag and drop the extension file and the extension will be installed. I have already installed the extension, so I will just pin this for easy access. Now let's learn how to use this software. You can scrap leads from Google Maps by keywords or by saved places. I prefer using keywords, so I will just paste 20 keywords here. Make sure website extraction is turned on to get phone numbers and emails from websites. Then click on Start Scraping. As you can see, the tool has started scraping data for each business under the given keywords from Google Maps. At first, it collects all the business details including websites. Then it browses website and collects emails, phone numbers and all the social media links. After that, it automatically switches to the next keyword. That's how it scraps all the leads under each keyword. Now keep the scraping running and I am going to show you how you can generate bulk keywords with the help of ChatGPT in seconds. Since I am looking for digital marketing agency data from the top 20 cities in the USA, I will simply say I need a keywords list of top 20 cities in the USA and also add the words digital marketing agency in before each city name. That's how you can generate bulk keywords for any niche and city. To get the pro version of this Google Maps scraper, you need to purchase a license key for just $149. With the Pro plan, you can generate unlimited leads for a lifetime. That means you pay once and never run out of leads for your business. For any help, projects or collaborations, please send us a message at smartchainmedia@gmail.com. Now I will wait until the scraping is finished, then I will show you how much data we have collected and how long it took. Just after 53 minutes, the scraping process finished and we got 2310 leads. Now if I click on export all data, now we can select the data fields that we want to have in our dataset. I am going to select the fields that are really important to me. You can select or choose based on your needs. You can download the data file in 3 different formats. I am going to download it as an Excel file. Here you can see that there are many data fields that we have exported. Let me organize this database to make it cleaner and easier to understand. So we have the name, city, and full address. Then we have phone numbers from Google Maps and websites, along with emails and website address. After that, we have the total number of reviews and average rating of each business. This helps us to measure the size and credibility of the business. Finally, we have all the available social media links such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Yelp. So you can contact each lead using a multi-channel approach through phone numbers, emails, and social media. I hope this video helps you. If you need any help with lead generation or email marketing, feel free to send us a message. Thank you so much for watching.